Hello and welcome to another car star video. Today we will be showing you how to remove some of the dash parts from a Peugeot 208 A9 series. These parts will be mostly the display screen, the head unit and the display surround. And without further ado, let's get into our main video. So you slide your display surround upwards. I couldn't show you exactly how to take it out because it's very hard to do when you're recording and removing it. But basically you pull it upwards and you can see there was clips there. And then you remove the plug up from the back of that display surround, which has the menu button on there for the screen. And then we get our T20 Torx screw, like so, to remove the display screen itself. There's two screws at the top of the display screen, one there and one on the other side. Once you remove these two, there will be two clips, which you will see shortly. Basically, you push these clips in and pull the display screen just a little bit out and slide it upwards, and you will see what I mean. So push that one in, pull it a little bit out, and then push the other side one in as well. Again, apologies because it's very hard to do when you're recording it and removing it at the same time, so try to do it as good as possible. But once you slide it forward just a bit, then you pull your display screen upwards, so as you can see, and it just comes off like so. Removing the two plugs at the back of the screen. Remember, this is a screen only, and there's the radio head units actually at the back of the screen, and we will take off shortly as well. Now we remove our two plugs, push those in and then gently pull them out. Don't yank them. Make sure it is pushed in, those clips. Now you can see our screen is out, and then again there's two T20 Torx that hold the head unit, which is like basically the module that controls the display and the radio, etc. So you take off those two screws, and then the head unit will also come out, and this is the actual module that controls everything, not the screen. The screen is just a display, like how you'd have a monitor for your PC or computer or laptop, etc. Remove just pull it out like that. It wouldn't be too difficult, and that's basically how you take out the head unit as well. And there will be plugs at the back. Again, we apologize that we couldn't show you the full video, but it is very difficult to record and remove these parts at the same time. But I wanted to upload this to show you that it's not like this conventional display surrounds and screens and whatnot, because these ones actually slide upwards, whereas the other ones come forward. So if you don't know this, you can damage the surround or the display screen, and this might cost you a lot of money to fix or repair. Again, we hope you found our video helpful. Like, comment and subscribe, and let us know what you'd like to see in the future, and see you in our upcoming videos.